Well, somehow, some way, I hit the button wrong. I don't know. I'm not good at this. I need practice. Maybe I get my nephew to help me. But here's what happened. We actually hit it good. The bullet's still in there. I don't know how good you guys can see that, but there's even a piece of fragment or so coming out, back out from hitting it. It acted like Spalding on armor. So I say let's try to smack it with the 9mm. Let's see if I can do it right this time. Here we go again. Round number 2, 9mm. We had a casing up here. I don't know where the lock went. Might need to watch the rewind to see. Huh. You just don't see the lock. Does anybody see the lock? Well, I'll tell you the truth. I sure don't. It was up there. I'm sure of that. It disappeared. I'm sure of that. Where exactly it flew, I don't know. I guess I'll have to look around for it. Well, I'm very sorry. I found this. Looks like we hit it with the 9-bit low. I found this. As for the main body of the lock, nowhere to be found. I don't know if I bring down a magnet I'll be able to find it. But I would say that the 9mm done it in. Anyway, I know you guys are used to the more professional group out there in YouTube land, but I'm trying to learn. So if you wouldn't mind, like, share, subscribe. I love y'all. Thanks for watching.